cái này lên. Rồi, học.
Ok.
Vô đi.
Chưa. Rồi.
City Animals, written by Elizabeth Austin. Many people live in cities. Many kinds of animals live in cities too. Mice live in cities. They eat food people throw away. Geese and ducks live in cities. They swim in ponds in parks. Squirrels live in cities. Squirrels make nests in trees. Pigeons live in cities. Some people like to feed pigeons. Opossums live in cities. They like to come out at night. Hawks live in cities. They make nests on tall buildings. Dogs live in cities. People bring them to the park. Raccoons live in cities. They take food from trash bins. Do you see animals where you live? What kinds of animals do you see?
City Animals, written by Elizabeth Austin. Many people live in cities. Many kinds of animals live in cities too. Mice live in cities. They eat food people throw away. Geese and ducks live in cities. They swim in ponds in parks. Squirrels live in cities. Squirrels make nests in trees.
Pigeons.
Pigeons live in cities. Some people like to feed pigeons.
Opossums.
Opossum live in cities. They like to come out at night. Hawks live in cities. They make nests on tall buildings. Dogs live in cities. People bring them to the park. Raccoons live in cities. They take food from trash bins. Do you see animals where you live? What kinds of animals do you see?
What is this book mainly about? What is the same about squirrels and hawks? Which animals live in the city? Where do raccoons find their food? What animal likes to swim in ponds?
Kate and Kat, the class pet. Written by Katie Delbridge and Katie Moore. Illustrated by Renee Andriani. Focus question. How do Kate and Kat help their class? Kate and Kat were good at solving problems. Their class had a problem. Who would feed the class fish during school breaks? The teacher had a problem. Too many kids wanted to help feed Fred. Nicole wanted to help. "I'll feed Fred," said Nicole. Matt wanted to help. "I'll feed Fred," said Matt. Billy wanted to help. "I'll feed Fred," said Billy. Melissa wanted to help. "I'll feed Fred," said Melissa. Kate and Kat had an idea. Their idea could solve the problem. "Each of you can take a turn," Kat said. "Fred will have a new home each break," Kate said. "That's a great idea," said the class. Connections. Writing. Think about a time when you had a problem. Write about the problem and how it was solved. Science and art. Make a poster explaining how to care for a pet. Include words and pictures on your poster. Share it with your class.
The class pet. Focus question. How do Kate and Kat help their class? Kate and Kat were good at solving problems. They closed out a problem. Who would feed the class fish during school breaks? The teacher had a problem. Too many kids wanted to help feed Fred.
Nicole.
Nicole wanted to help. "I feed Fred," said Nicole. Matt wanted her to help. "I feed Fred," said Matt. Billy wanted to help. "I feed Fred," said Billy. Melissa wanted to help. "I feed Fred," said Melissa. Kate and Kat had an idea. The idea could solve the problem. Each of you can take a turn, Kat said. Fred will have a new home each break, Kate said. That's a great idea, said the class.
What is the problem in this story? What is the setting of the story? What happens when Kate and Kat share their idea with the class? What is the solution to the problem in the story?